Well, it's late in the afternoon. We're going up to the kitchen for a little food demo and how they prepare some different foods. Sun is low, you can see all the shadows. Yeah, coming up to the old tire tracks here in the sand. We got a long Shadow Man. Look at Shadow Man. He's like 50 feet long. Look at him here, Shadow Man. 50 feet long. Here he is. All right, let's go.
So here, we have grounded beef meat. Oh. And then we have a little bit of almonds, onions, chopped onions, a little bit of cilantro, and a little bit of oil. Yeah, sunflower oil. Or you can use like a cheaper oil. You don't have to use the most expensive one.
لكن العجينة كان الدقيق ديال الفورس وديال الفينو.
تتعجني تدير شوية الخميرة وشوية الملح. So this is the paste with flour with a little bit of salt and yeast. So you have to mix everything and then wait till it rises a little bit. Then here you have semolina. العطرية شنو اللي فيها؟
كاين خرقوم،
كركمة، salt،
سكنجبير، خميرة،
pepper،
ملحة،
salt،
كمون،
ginger. سميت هذاك الخرق؟
هذا.
So the first semolina there, just so it doesn't stick to the table.
Oh, it's really soft there. Okay.
Yes. It looks easy. But in Zara made it look easy.
Yes.
You have to make like 2 loaves. This a little bit similar to the chicken pie, except for the chicken pie you can buy from the market. You can fill up pastries and then you cook this a little bit, then you stuff everything inside.
Oh, everything's already mixed in the bowl.
Yes.
You just lob it in there. Okay.
So 2 loaves, then she will cover everything with it.
Oh, there's a lot that goes in there. Wow. It looks pretty tasty. Ooh, that's a big mound there. Ooh, all right.
Okay. Then look what Zara will do with
zip
sides.
it up on the sides there. Okay.
Yes. If you love cooking, it's something that you can add, not only for to make Berber pizza, but for other stuff as well. And if you're not sure if things like will be well cooked, you can just like cook them first and then stuff them inside and then.
Oh, you spread it out then. Okay. Because it looked like it was going to be real thick. Now I see she spreads it out.
Yeah.
Then. Okay. We're gonna have these for dinner. The Nomad Pizza here.
This is our second drum lesson of the day, I think.
You put it in a towel.
There are places where they do mainly onions and with spices, and they do fat also from the inside.
Mm.
Yeah. That's it.
Very nice.
That flat part on the top or on the bottom, either one, right?
Yes.
Is
No,
it
this
hot?
one.
The
On-
bottom one would
Because-
burn.
Oh, it's got the
it got
gas
far
there,
from
so
here.
it's going to
Yeah,
go
so
on
it's-
this top one up
Yes.
here, and that's how
First,
it's
and when
going to
it's
cook.
well baked, then just move it here just for the top.
And just get the
Sticky.
top brown a little
Yeah.
bit down there. Okay, that's it. We got our pizza things here to slide them in and out, just like back home. All right.